Welcome to TuRight. In today's video, we're going to discuss about magnetic field and magnetic lines. So we all know what magnets are and what magnets are not. Now let us take something like a bar magnet. It's a very special case of a magnet. It's a shape of a bar, and what is interesting about it? If you would have suspended, right, from a wire, let's say, such that it can rotate freely very easily, then one side of it will always point towards the north and the other side always points towards the south, very approximately. Now why is that so interesting? Even if you turn it around and leave it, it will somehow go back to that shape itself or that direction itself. Why exactly does this happen? You would have already noticed it's in one way behaving like an already known object. And what is that? A compass, it's behaving like a big compass. Somehow understand that if you take this bar magnet, right, and even if you keep some compass near at the compass, starts to turn, right, you take another little iron piece, it starts getting attracted towards it. Some other small magnets gets repelled. So what we know now is that this bar magnet has some influence around it. Around its area, it's creating something. We don't know what it is, but we know it's doing something, because other way is that magnet wouldn't turn or some other object wouldn't get attracted or repelled. So now, how exactly do we look at this influence, or how could we imagine this? Let us do something interesting. Let us take this bar magnet, put it on a piece of paper, right? And on that piece of paper, let's sprinkle what are called iron fillings. These little pieces of iron, which are like iron, is very useful for this purpose, because iron gets very strongly attracted to magnet, some magnetic substances. So we take little pieces of iron and sprinkle it all across the paper, right? And now gently begin to tap the paper. Start observing something really fascinating. You will start observing that these little iron fillings start to arrange themselves in a very not so random pattern. In a pattern that looks like beautifully hand-drawn thing like what you see. Now isn't that fascinating? Why exactly this is happening? If we go deeper in this, is that somehow it looks like the area around. This magnet is influenced by this magnetic. And you notice something. The iron fillings that are very far away are not really affected. So we kind of realize this magnet's influence does not spread across forever. It stops, or rather it becomes very less as the distance away from it goes, which we know understand as well. Take a magnet, it doesn't really attract something 10 kilometers away. It doesn't. It attracts very strong next to it. So then what we do is that we make a statement saying maybe the magnet creates around it what called a magnetic field. The word field is used in order to be able to say that this magnet around it has some influence. Hope you've liked this video. If you have liked this video, do not forget to like and subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss on any of these videos. Keep learning. Here in TuRight, we believe that every child is unique, and to help you more with this, we have come up with a free counseling session to help you succeed. Are you worried about scoring less marks in exams? Or are you worried about focus, study hours, consistency? Then all you need is a free counseling session from us. To book a free counseling session with us, all you need to do is type www.TuRight.com. That's right, TuRight.com. And as you enter into the website, you get a window where it is being written as free session. You just need to enter your details and you're all set to go. Not only that, TuRight also helps you in public speaking, communication, and makes you unique and different from others. Register today to get started.